Hi all, my name's Tony and this is No Nonsense YouTube Goals. Today we're going to be talking about my first paychecks with YouTube with a gaming channel. Before I get into this, I'm going to put some chapters in on the timeline and you'll be able to skip past this if you want. What I want to do is just a little bit of an intro about myself and my channels. This is the first video I'm making for this channel and want to sort of describe a little bit more about me and what I'm doing with this channel. So when I talk about YouTube goals, I'm not going to be talking about it with this channel because this is a different style of channel and people are not really making channels about how they've grown success on YouTube. If you're watching this, it's more than likely because you've got a gaming channel or other type of channel like a cooking channel, travel channel, stuff like that. And you want to know about growth on that. So I'm not really going to be discussing this channel, this YouTube goals channel. This is a different style of channel and not really, the growth on it is going to be different to a normal channel. So the channels I'm going to be talking about is my two channels that I've got. I've got a gaming channel called Noobs Gaming and I've got a music tips channel which is generally based with AI voice as well as my work on recording videos in the recording studio because I've got a recording studio. And so I've recorded some videos in that and I've made tips and stuff like that and then used it in AI voice because I just think it's a bit more engaging with the AI voice. But the gaming channel I started about 1.5 years ago in June 2022 and the No Nonsense Music Tips channel I started in October 2023. So the No Nonsense Music Tips channel only has about 400 subs or something like that at the moment. It's not monetized, so I won't be talking about that. But I am going to be doing videos about how I grew that channel and how I grew my gaming channel. So if you want to know more about that stuff, don't forget to take that pointer, tickle that like button, hit the bell and subscribe notification, and then videos will drop soon. This is the first one for this channel, so it's going to be new. This is the first time I'm really using my face in video, and so this format will change a little over time as I get better equipment and get better at this. But I just wanted a down-to-earth approach and look so that you guys can see what it's like for a normal person. There's many channels out there that I've looked at who are showing their growth, but they've got hundreds of thousands of views. Whereas with me, well, I'd say hundreds of thousands of views, I mean hundreds of thousands of followers. I've got just close to 1 million views on my Noobs Gaming channel and about 10,000 views on the No Nonsense Music channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the gaming channel today and what I earned on that in a year of monetization. The monetization happened in December 2022 for the gaming channel, and I'll show you that where I've got and what I earned in the first months and what I'm earning now currently. So without further ado, guys, let's get into this. So let's talk about the channels that I have. So this is the Noobs Gaming channel that I've got, and as you see, I've got 5,000 subs, 5,009, and this gaming channel started in 24th of June 2022. We've got close to 1 million views, should I say. We've got 308 videos on here. And we've basically done this. I've learned so much over time to making thumbnails and stuff like that. One of the videos I will be posting is about thumbnails and how I create my thumbnails for a gaming channel. So hopefully you guys want to watch that, subscribe if you do. And so yeah, so I've got a nice look on that and done out over time my look and feel of it and the wordings and stuff like that. Then we have the No Nonsense Music channel. As you say, it's close to 400 subscribers, 39 videos. This channel started in October 2023. And so this one I've slowly started working on the look of it. You'll see some of these thumbnails are a little bit different as we go down to the videos. They started off like this with a big brown bar underneath and like this, and then progressed to this thing and then up into this type of look. And I'm not really going to be talking about this channel today because, like I said, it's not monetized, but I will be talking about its growth over time in other videos. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. And so let's go back to the gaming channel and we will go to my stats here. So this is my stats for YouTube for the monetization on the gaming channel. So we became monetized in December. Let me just change this date here. So we became monetized in December 2022 and it was around 24th of December, 25th of December, something like that, it became monetized. And so the first month, from 25th to the 1st of January, we only made £27. And 19 of that came from revenue came from watch ads, and then the other 7 came from YouTube Premium. We'll discuss that in a bit. And as you see, as time went up, we started earning a little bit more, and then a little bit more, and a little bit more. And then summer came, and we just totally dropped. That could have been just because it was summer and people wasn't really in watching the videos. But then it started taking off again. And last month, November, with £318, was quite a good month. And that's what we get from YouTube after YouTube have taken their cut, which is about 45% or something like that. And then we've got December here, which is ongoing, and we're already on the 5th or 6th or something like that, and it's at £48 already. So let's show you the workings out of this. So what you have with YouTube videos is you have this click rate and how much you earn per 1,000 clicks of ads or watch of ads. And we was getting around 6. It sort of hovers around that number. We had a really good month in December where it was 11, nearly £12. But that's because I've started adding more ads inside the videos themselves, because some of my videos are about an hour long, half an hour to an hour long. So I've started adding adverts in every 15 minutes, and as you see, the click rate now has gone up because of that. So that's something to think about there. But if you've only got shorter videos, like on our other channel, on our No Nonsense Music Chips channel, the video's only about 2-3 minutes long, so there's no point in adding loads of ads in the pre-roll of that, or should we say throughout mid-roll through the actual video itself. So this £6 here per 1,000 is before YouTube take their cut. So let me just do the maths on that for you and show you. So if I take £6 and 2 pence per 1,000, so 6,000, so that's going to be times 6. That equals £36.12. But we didn't earn £36.12 on adverts. We only earned £19.99 on adverts. So that shows that this click-through rate is before. This is what you're going to be getting for the 1,000 ads. That'll come to £36, and then YouTube will take their cut from that. And then we got the YouTube Premium £7 on top of that. For people that have got Premium, you get a cut of that cost where people have bought Premium, so they don't have to watch the ads. And then your other income then is this here, which is things like super stickers, super thanks, memberships and stuff like that. And so that's a little bit of extra income there for you. So this is me in post and adding another section to this. I forgot to mention, even though that I'm earning this money here, so I've earned 1,857 altogether in the year of monetization. When I get this check here for £318, I then have to pay tax in the US, which is around 10% now. It started off around 30%, but now it's dropped to around 10%. And then I have to pay tax in the UK as well on top of that, which is 10 to 20% or something like that. So just keep that in mind, guys, that you're going to have to put some of this aside. It says 318 here, but then I'm going to get taxed 10% of that. So you're probably talking I'll lose about £30 in tax as well. So I'm probably going to be looking, if I'm lucky, around £360, £370 on this one here. So yeah, I just thought I'd mention that, guys. So that's this on this month. Hopefully you understand this and its growth. It's a modest growth, and it supplements my income by around £200 per month, which is not too bad. In dollars, what's that going to be? About $250 per month supplemented income. And as the channel grows, we're at 5,000 subscribers now. When we get to 10,000, the workload is still the same. I'm still making the same videos, taking the same amount of time to make the video. I am improving the videos as I go along and learning more and more, but the workload is the same, but the watch time will be larger, or the click-through rates will be larger, so you'll get more money with the same workload. So hopefully this shows you what a modest low channel can earn. 5,000 subs is not a massive big channel, but I'm earning a nice amount. £200 is not enough for a wage to live on, but it's still supplementing. And if I've got 2 channels, once we get to the music tips channel coming to monetization and we're getting 200 from that a month, that then becomes 400 a month. And so you see how then that grows and grows and grows over time. Like I say, if you've got 10,000, you can maybe double that, so maybe you're getting £400 on the gaming channel and the £200 on the music channel, you can see how that then starts growing. I've watched many videos where there's people have got hundreds of thousands of subscribers and they're saying this is what I'm earning and it's like 60,000 per month or something like that. But realistically, I'm not there, and I know there's going to be many people that are not there. So this is a modest view, and I'm going to be very open with my channels and show you my channels. Like I said, I won't talk about the YouTube Goals channel because it's a different style of videos, whereas the gaming channel and the music tips channel is going to be more broader for people like yourselves that are watching this. So yeah, so we hope you like this video, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that pointer, tickle that like button for us. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe notification for more videos. The format will change. I am going to get better. Leave some comments in the comment section about how I could improve this, things you would like to see, things I should look at, what, you know, stuff like that. I'm going to try and keep it down to earth and not too polished, and then you get to see the raw person that's creating this type of stuff. So yeah, so we hope you like it, guys, and we'll see you out there on YouTube. Take care.